Today we are going to discuss how to put spin effect in PowerPoint. PowerPoint में किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम कंटिन्यूसली रोटेट कैसे करें. It is very easy in PowerPoint. We can do this. और किसी भी सब्जेक्ट को जानने के लिए हमको उसके डीपली तक जानी चाहिए. And that's why today we are going to discuss how to rotate or how to spin an object continuously in PowerPoint slide. It's possible. Let's start. I have loaded PowerPoint and open a new presentation. We have taken a blank slide. Now we will insert some of the objects here. Click on the insert shape. Insert shape use करके कुछ objects हम insert करेंगे. Okay, we have taken a circle. इसके भीतर कुछ एक shape हम लोग डालते हैं. Same way. You will fill some different color inside the shape to make it more attractive. We have adjusted the shape. अभी कुछ कलर उसमें हम लोग fill करेंगे. Okay. Now we will insert few more shapes. और एक दो शेप इसमें इंसर्ट कर देते हैं टू मेक आवर प्रेजेंटेशन मोर एट्रैक्टिव. एंड वी विल पुट द स्पिन इफेक्ट. सब शेप में हम इफेक्ट डालेंगे कि वो कंटिन्यू रोटेट करते रहेगी. वी विल पुट द डिफरेंट कलर इन ऑल द शेप्स. If you are interested to join a computer course only for a certificate, then you may join anyway. But if you are really interested to make your career in this field, then join with us. We will teach you in such a way that you will definitely get success. Individual training, support for research and development, professional support, details on any subject, high quality study materials, everything will get here. Then join Ascent and make your bright future. Okay, we'll take this much. We'll fill some color. Okay, now we have inserted all the shapes. You may insert few more shapes as you wish. Now we will go to animation. Animation, click on animation and select spin animation. After that we will open animation pen. हमारी already open है. यदि आपकी open नहीं है, then you need to open the animation pen. Then click on the effect option and now go to the timing. यहाँ पे हम लोग लेंगे start with previous. Start जो जी है start with previous. और at the end one thing is given repeat. Repeat में लेंगे until end of the slide. Then click on OK. Now do the same thing for the second object. Animation, spin, animation pen, effect option, timing, start with previous until end of slide. Now you will repeat the same thing for all the objects. सब ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए इसे आपको रिपीट करनी होगी. One after another you will give this effect on each and every object. We have already given the effect on 3 objects. Now fourth one we are going to repeat the same thing. Spin, animation pen, then effect option, start with previous, repeat until end of slide. Now we have given the animation for all the objects. अभी कुछ बैकग्राउंड में कुछ डिजाइनिंग दे देंगे हम लोग कुछ. And for this we will go to design tab and we will take some beautiful theme. Now we will run slideshow. अभी slideshow बटन में क्लिक करेंगे. You see all the objects are moving continuously. It's a nice type of the presentation. In this way you can move or rotate any object in PowerPoint very easily. Now there is a task for you. Create following slide. Okay, it's a task for you. You try to create this. Okay, thank you. Thanks for being with us. Thank you.